Hey, gonna say hello? Hi. Hey, little guy. Hiya. Where you going? Oh, you're a baby squirrel. It's a little baby. I'm gonna zoom in. Hopefully we'll get him. Can you see him? He is a little bubba. He's camouflaged. Hey! I know if I go closer he'll probably run. Let me put the zoom back. Hey! Oh, he's just too cute. Look at him. Can't really see him. He's gone, hasn't he? He ran away again. They're too fast, the squirrels. So pretty. Beautiful trees, actually. Look at this. Look at the sun coming through. October. Lovely. Just really beautiful. Look. There you go, guys. Just a bit of nature in a small forest. Well, woodland. There's another squirrel there. I'm going to zoom in. Where is he? Has he gone already? They're very fast. And they're not interested in my highs. There's a few, look, there's quite a few. It's so peaceful here. You really can find peace in nature. This is October, the 10th of October. It's just peace. Just peace. Watch the squirrels a bit more if you want. No, too fast.